Am I right? Mohammad Asif Hussain Sohail, who supports the All India MIM. Am I right? Asif, am I right? Would you like to start the debate? Am I right? Why otherwise are you entering Tamil Nadu?
Yes.
Why don't you make your intentions clear to the BJP and everyone watching tonight?
See, first of all, I want to say India has witnessed two superpowers, Congress and BJP. But unfortunately, BJP consider their ideas first over the nation. That is creating a vacuum for the third front, and no better person than Asaduddin Owaisi can lead it to the two major reasons. First, MIM is a Muslim party with a secular ideology, which means all the religions can be treated equally. The second one, there is one Muslim voice started from southern India and now spreading grassroots of pan-India, representing Muslims, Dalits, poor and everyone. That's the beauty of constitution, that any party can contest from anywhere. If the regional parties are not formed, then the dictatorship will start. This is all happening because the ruling government is ignoring the common man and the state issues, which resulting the form of the regional parties. Earlier, Congress government was there; they treated every religion equally. Now it's the time.
Yes.
Now it's the time.
Guru Prakash.
Okay,
I'll get a quick response. Guru Prakash, thank you. Asif, you made the introductory remarks. Guru Prakash. Now I'll open it. Arvind Kejriwal and Asaduddin Owaisi are perhaps the two most ambitious leaders, right? And I think both are in their early 50s.
I don't
Or
agree.
just around 50. Maybe Kejriwal is older. But you are undermining their ability to grow fast.
You cannot.
Guru Prakash, you are undermining.
Compare
Congress is no threat for you. Priyanka, Rahul are lightweight.
You cannot compare Asaduddin Owaisi with Arvind Kejriwal.
No, Arnab. No, please listen to me, Asif.
I am comparing their age, their ambition,
fundamental problem with this fact.
and their target to grow.
Arnab, we have seen Delhi burning. We have seen massacre in Delhi. What
Arnab, instead of focusing on that, अरे भैया आसिफ जी बात सुन लीजिए.
Guru Prakash,
आसिफ जी बात सुन लीजिए.
It's about the pain and crime.
No, instead of focusing,
आप मुझे बताएं कि उन्होंने करे क्या? आप ये बताएं कि उन्होंने करे क्या?
आसिफ जी प्लीज आसिफ जी बात सुन लीजिए ना. आसिफ जी बात सुन लीजिए. आप पहले तो लोकतंत्र में भरोसा रखिए, सबको बोलने का मौका मिलता है. आपको अपना मौका मिलेगा तो बोलिएगा. अर्नब, आई हैव अ वेरी फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम विद दिस फैक्ट. ये दलित मुस्लिम अरे दीस गाइस से whoever is going to cater to
हम
the
तो वही बोल रहे हैं ना साहब, मुसलमान को तो मौका ही नहीं दे रहे हैं. आप सेकंड हैंड सिटीजन,
भारतीय जनता पार्टी, अरे भैया भारतीय जनता पार्टी
मौका ही नहीं दे रहे हैं.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी, आपको मालूम है, आप लोग कहते हैं आपके पास तर्क नहीं है तो आप बीच में डिस्टर्ब करेंगे क्या? आपके पास तर्क नहीं तो आप बीच में डिस्टर्ब करेंगे. पूरा देश देख रहा है आसिफ भाई.
Why we are targeting Asaduddin Owaisi? Why we are targeting Rahul Gandhi?
देश देख रहा है. थोड़ा
Why are you not? People want the alternative of BJP. About the Muslims have been treated as a second-class citizen in the India.
But Arnab ji, when
Muslim has been treated second-class citizen of the India.
Listen to me, sir.
What's wrong if Asaduddin Owaisi is coming forward?
Are you the
Sir, I have worked in 21 states across the country. I have seen the pain, what the minorities and Dalits are going through.
In Kashmir Valley,
people want the alternative
we have our councillors.